Okay, so let's talk more informally that how machines learn basically. So as I said into the previous slide, that how we learn. So we learn from data. From example, maybe someone just explains you, someone just describes something, facts, etc. So similar machines also learn from data and from where this data is coming. So one clear thing you can see in the lower right corner that nowadays with the introduction of the social media, smartphones, internet and all, we are generating a huge amount of data. Maybe we can say that terabytes or petabytes of data every day we are generating. Okay, and the companies like companies are also collecting this data to improve their systems, like we can say Google, Yahoo, Facebook, etc. They are collecting user experience, user data in terms of feedbacks or survey or any browsing history data. So these all are used to train your machine learning model, to train your machine. So this is the way that how machine learns. Is clear. Hope it will make some sense to give some idea basically what machine learning is and how machine learns. Let's briefly talk about various types of machine learning. So in the diagram, the slide you can see, basically we can classify machine learning field into three categories. Okay, one is called supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So supervised learning means what? Like you have your data and you also know your labels, the actual output, true labels, target, you already know. And this is what we can relate this to our teacher-student teaching as well. Like in supervised learning, teacher used to supervise students. So basically students learn with the help of teachers. So teacher tells whether a student is, if he is performing some error, making some mistakes, or so that is the supervised learning. And there is one supervisor which assists your learning. And this can further be classified as generally the regression problems and the classification. We'll discuss regression and classification into the next slide. And one another category is unsupervised, like where there is no teacher. Okay, and you have to learn yourself. So basically the clustering and the dimensionally reductions, this kind of algorithms comes under the unsupervised learning. Nowadays nowadays another field of machine learning which is getting popular is the reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is a reward based learning. You do some actions, and if your actions leads to your goal, then you will get some reward, and that reward basically further motivates to perform tasks to get more rewards. So it is a basically reward based learning. And if you made some mistake, so you will get reward, but reward will be less. So this is how we can relate it to some child behavior or like so. When we when a particular child do something and we rewarded, the parents rewarded, okay beta, good, this is very good. Okay, and if the same behavior, funny or anything, the child repeats with the neighbors or some other person, so maybe parents will actually punish him. So that would be another kind of negative reward basically. So reinforcement learning is also very popular, and it has many applications like the games and skill acquisition, robot navigation, real time. So where the machines actually learns by doing, okay, by taking decisions. If that decisions leads to you to the target, so you get motivated and do more things that.